Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. Today I am going to review Garnier's BB cream. I have been using this product from so many years and it's in the market from a long time too. So I am going to give a detailed review on this product. I think it's very important and some of my friends also requested me to review this product. Garnier is a brand of French cosmetics. The good thing about Garnier is that its products are 96% natural. Let's come to the product now. BB creams are really good, especially when you want to go for a no makeup look. Some people prefer using BB cream as a basic makeup rather than using the foundations. This BB cream is a 5-in-1 daily moisturizer with unifying mineral pigments, ultra absorbing perlite, vitamin C, and grapefruit extract for visibly better skin. It has a unique oil-free formula which mattifies the skin, reduces the appearance of pores, evens your tone for 24 hours, and hydrates. It has SPF 20 which protects the skin from UV. I will talk about the packaging now. It actually comes in a cardboard packaging. I'm using this product currently, so I have thrown that box. It has a golden brown tube with a screw cap. I find it super easy to apply and use it. Let's see what it claims. Garnier Skin Active BB Cream. And BB cream stands for beauty benefit, which means that it benefits and beautifies your skin too. Combination to oily skin, 5-in-1 daily moisturizer. The shade is light, which is suitable for fair skin tone. It also comes in very light and medium shade. At the back, all the languages are written except English. I can read Miracle Skin Perfector, made in France. The quantity is 40 ml, which really goes a long way. Now I will apply it and show you how it looks on the skin. It has a nozzle like this. The consistency is liquidy, but it's not runny. The scent is really nice. It's like a light perfume, but it's not irritating. It has an oil-free texture. This product gives a great coverage and smooths out the surface of your skin, which will give you a flawless finish without looking fake. You can see that this light shade suits my skin's natural color. It has a non-greasy formula. Even if you sweat, your skin doesn't break out. Gently apply it to the face and neck like your regular moisturizer prior to sun exposure for instant coverage and correction as well as for protection. You can reapply as needed. I love this BB cream. It makes my skin look fresh and it gives me a natural look when I don't want to wear a full face of makeup. I can apply it easily on days when I don't have time and especially when you want to look refreshed. It gives a nice coverage. It's very lightweight on the skin as it is not thick. It evens out my skin tone and I really like it. It's not drying and gives a natural shine-free finish. I think it's totally worth it, and if you are looking for something light to medium coverage for everyday look, this is a perfect choice. I use this product every day. It is very affordable. The price is 39 Saudi Riyals. You can easily find it at any supermarket or pharmacy. So that's it for this video. I hope my review was helpful for you guys. So give a big thumbs up and do comment if you are already using this or if you are going to buy it. Share my video with your friends too. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. See you all soon. Take care, much love and stay blessed.